Okay, guys, this is Attack of the Birds. I've got to watch that old movie, Birds, Attack of the Birds, or whatever it is. But these little guys have been hanging out the last few weeks. They have little babies and the adults, and they're everywhere. There's been hundreds at a time in my backyard, and not one has attacked me yet. But you know they're thinking it. And naturally, Ilva doesn't do anything about these guys. She just hates the fat ones. And I don't know where Ilva is right now. Ilva, come here. See, she doesn't listen. Come here, Ilva. Oh, here she comes. Come here and say hi to my friends. Come here. Come here. Hey. Why aren't you saving me from the birds? Of course, that's her butt. Oh, she's got a chicken bone. I gotta let that go. Bye.